What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on a Garelli Eureka Flex. Unfortunately, I'm missing my VIN plate, so I don't know what year this bike is. If you guys know right off the bat, just let me know. I am running a different exhaust on this bike, so yours might look a little different. It has a circular cylinder and head, so that makes this bike really unique and honestly a little bit more desirable and pretty cool. So with that being said, let's get right into it and show you guys how to do an oil change on the Garelli Eureka Flex. So a couple of things to note, we're going to be using a 30-weight non-detergent oil. It has to be non-detergent from what I hear. A quick Google search and referencing the manual will actually show you exactly what you need for this bike. So this is the brand that I'm using for this oil change, and all you need is a 17 millimeter. I'm not entirely sure if this bolt is original anymore, but both the fill and the drain are 17s. So obviously our first step is going to be to go ahead and remove this drain plug. And while that's still draining, I think we're gonna go ahead and take off this fill bolt. And if you look at that, it looks like it's got a little magnet on it. And there's a lot of nasty stuff in there. That does not look good. And I'm actually filming a how to remove a clutch video as well, so enjoy a little internal look. All right, so it's always a good idea to inspect your oil, which as you can see, ours really doesn't look too bad. I'm not upset with that. So we're gonna go ahead either way and replace this oil. Reinstalling our drain plug. Now, before we actually start putting our oil in, it's worth mentioning that that is your oil fill line, or oleo. You want it just about to where the bottom of those threads are. So let's go ahead and install that oil now. There we go, guys, ever so slightly. As you guys can see, the oil is starting to drip out because it finally hit that oil level. So with that, we are gonna go ahead and put our fill plug back in there. There you guys go. That's how you do an oil change on a Garelli Eureka Flex. I hope that this video helped, and if it did, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. I hope this video helped, and as always guys, ride safe.